Hi everybody, this is Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilts on YouTube. Got a 2020 Peterbilt 389 here, extended hood, ultra cab and ultra sleeper, platinum interior, the whole works. This one doesn't have any fancy name to the blue, it's just called blue. Is the paint code. It's L3200EY blue. Good looking truck, very nice color. Sun's trying to get out here, but you can kind of see some of the metal flake in it. Real pretty. Really good looking truck. Fairly easy to keep clean. Be a nice color. On low pro 24.5s. Did the round hole wheels on this one. Somebody saying hi there going by. The polished tanks, 290 wheelbase on this one. I think he's going to paint the tanks on this one too. And we did a color matched frame. Now these aren't the same paint code because you can't do a metallic on the frame. So we've got a metallic paint up here and we got it really close down here. So it's real subtle difference. Looks real nice. The access steps, no toolboxes. The catwalk. Didn't do the big fairings on the back of the sleeper, which I prefer. You got 6 load lights. This guy wanted his CB antennas out on each mirror. You can see you got the 7-inch stacks up there. Did not want quarter fenders on this one, so he's going to put some full fenders on it. He's going to do that in his shop. We've got the Goodyear Endurance LHDs on the back and 285/75R 24.5. Low Air Leaf suspension. All in 5th wheel. We tuck those lights up into the rear cross member, and that really helps with snow and ice and not tearing out wires and tearing things off. The truck's got a very nice look to it. Did a good job polishing the tanks. Got an esbar heater, so we got a bunk heater here. And that's your exhaust right there. Air-eyed sleeper. And that's how you tell if there's a bunk heater right there. No lights on it yet. I think he's gonna do all that in his own shop. It's got a Cummins X15 in it. It's a 605 horsepower. 2,050 foot-pounds of torque. Here's the hot side of the motor. There's a turbo there. Coolant. Got a filter minder, tells you when to change the filters. This one's got an air-ride steer axle. Disc brakes up front. See them there? It's also got disc brakes on the rear, so it's full disc brakes all the way around. Nice colors. They look really good together. The Davco fuel filter. We have really good luck with that. We've got the remote lube. You see your airbags over here. And then if you saw this on the other side, so we put dual leveling valves on it, so you got one on each side. Gives the front end more stability and a little more control. So anti-blowdown device. So at this point you can't close the hood. So if a big wind came along, it wouldn't close. Flip that forward, and now you can close the hood. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is a 605 2050 torque. Very nice looking truck. Nice stainless steel grille. It's got the classic Peterbilt look from the front. I think once this guy gets done with it, it's gonna look amazing. Platinum interior, gray platinum interior. Some floor mats in there, and we did the Sears 80 seats in black. This one's got the full gauges, full 23 gauges. Let's fire her up here. Gauges there.
Let's try
AM FM CD with Bluetooth. 18 speed. Factory installed CB. Leather steering wheel. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very comfortable seats. I love the Sears 80 seats. It gives you a little less room in between the seats of an already kind of narrow cab, but they're very nice. And if you get to sit there all day, that's what you want. Step back into, it's a 78-inch sleeper. Got a fridge. Closet for your hang up, and then we got storage up above, all kinds of storage up in there. Place for a TV. And we got the business center here. Those all slide out. Got covers on the windows. Actually on it right now. I'm not going to take those off. Your esbar heater, alarm clock, a cigarette lighter. You got your little bit of light. But just thought I'd run this one by you. The one thing I will do on the way out here is give you a picture of the chassis weight. I apologize on a lot of the previous email or videos. You guys were wanting the chassis weight, so we'll take a quick look. Here it is. Turn it sideways. 18,686 is the chassis weight for this exact truck. So that gives you an idea of 290 wheelbase, blue color, L3200 EY is the paint code. Good looking truck. 2020, one of the last of the 2020s. Be ordering into 2021s here shortly. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Just give me a call, 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H-K, @rushenterprises.com. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you.